So to make this cute little Elmo cake, I baked a vanilla cake and I used a 5-inch pan. So I did 2 layers of it and covered it with a simple American buttercream and cut off maybe less than a quarter at the end. And I'm simply going to transfer it to another cake plate. By the way, if you're interested of knowing how I achieved this really vibrant red buttercream color, you can go ahead and check out another video that I made and I will teach you step by step how I achieve this color. Using piping tip 233, I'm going to pipe all the way around my cake. This will give the illusion of like a fur effect. Once you covered your entire cake, you can go ahead and then place your fondant pieces. I made mine in advance, so like that it would be easier for me to just place them on the cake. So simply place your eyes, nose, and the mouth, and there you go. You have this cute little Elmo. It's super adorable. This style of cake is called top forward cake. I adore how this looks. You can also do it with Cookie Monster. Also, it would be adorable. And this is basically it, as easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!